Hey everybody, just want to let you guys know that I'm in my studio now and I'm going to start creating content both on a news basis and a tutorial basis over in the shooting portion of this place. On another note, I just set up a Blogspot account and I'm trying to update this every day, maybe a couple times a day, with different photo news, things that I'd like to share. And I'm also going to take the reviews and tutorials that I do, and I'm going to put them into a text form with some pictures, and they may be a little more detailed. The idea to that is I want to keep the videos down to a more reasonable timeline rather than having 20-minute videos. Some of you may like, but I know that's a little too long for some people. So after you check out my reviews and tutorials, go over to my blogspot, which is danielrochefphoto.blogspot.ca, and check out the article there for some more information. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.